by DHL. It must be something very special. Slice. Huh? Oh, something flew out. Oh, just some bits of paper. Oh, just bits of the label. Let me read that. Whoa, 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 what we got in here? Phone. Oh, pen? It's useful. Oh, I got some little bits of perf board. And just for your information, I didn't pay for any of this, so this is really neat. Oh, 2 pens. Ooh. What's this? Oh. Board for V-Home remote switch. Looks like a bunch of user contributions. My board NRF5. It looks like a bunch of. There's another one in blue. Here's one in yellow. Wow! And just, whoa! Lots of stickers. Oh, you got a little board right here. Let's go through all these boards. Let's see what's in this one. There's 2 boards. 2 boards in each wrap. That's neat. Right there. Oh crap! Cut my table. Oh wow! This is a thin board. Samples are very interesting because they're like other projects, like open source projects. Some of these I kind of recognize. Yeah, actually, wow, this yellow color is actually really nice. It's not too greenish. Oh, what's this say? I'll just set these down right here. My sensors. These are some thin boards, except for this one. This one's like 1.6, and these are thinner. Wow, my sensors. Oh, there's the open source hardware logo. Now, I wonder what this is. Huh, these are odd. It's interesting to get 2 of each. Okay, this one's going to be interesting. It's quite a large board. Touch 1, 2, and 3. Oh, so this is some kind of touch sensor board. Oh, and look, CERN OHL V1. So it's got the CERN open hardware license on them. So all these sample boards are open hardware projects. And of course, look at that! Look at that! They sent perf boards. Look at that! Big thick old perf boards. Wait, I recognize these too. I actually recognize these. That's quite nice of them. Thanks. And got pens and PCBWay's Chinese Zodiac stickers. Oh. And we got all these PCBWay stickers. Be definitely putting one of these on my laptop. Oh, anniversary 4 years. Wow, PCBWay's been around for 4 years, I guess. 2014, 2018. Yeah, I've got all the. I'm a rabbit, so. let's have a closer look at these. Wow, I really like the solder mask colors of here. Definitely gonna have a look at the PCBWay under the microscope in just a minute. But I don't know how well this is gonna show up on your computer screen, but this is actually a really nice yellow solder mask. I'm surprised. It's a really hard thing to get right. Got reds, you got your standard green. Even the green's pretty nice. And it's really heavy on the solder mask actually. So if heavy solder masks are your thing, I guess these are the guys to go to. Okay, let's inspect the green one first. And this one has really nice. It's actually look at the silk screen. It's actually really smooth. It's something that I actually didn't expect. And of course the solder mask PCBWay is good. Everything's actually really good. Let's see here. How about the inside of these holes? Oh, they're. Wait, I'm gonna zoom in on that. That's. Zoom in on that, because that just caught my eye right there. Holy crap! Look how smooth! It's like a mirror finish inside. Wow! Look at that! It's like a mirror finish on the inside. Here's a board from JLC PCB, and if you have a look at one of their rings, you can see it's got little ribs in it from the fiberglass. So yeah, one thing that's really noticeable about the PCBWay PCB is that the plating is nice and thick. It's actually really nice. Okay, there's some little scuffs on here, but I don't think that's really a problem. The solder mask is really nice. The silk screen's really nice. Here's the JLC PCB. The silk screen's actually pretty similar to the JLC PCB. How about the solder mask PCBWay? Okay, look, in the JLC PCB, it's kind of misaligned. So, very impressive so far. I mean, look at that. Okay, how about the blue one? Let's find some smaller text here. It's a lot like the green one. Let's find something with the small pin pitches. Okay, the solder mask is just a little misaligned, but it's still perfectly acceptable. Okay, right here there's a little bit of thinning on the silk screen, a little bit of smudging, but it's actually pretty acceptable. That's really tiny text, so I expect it's pushing the specifications pretty far. Let's have a look at the yellow PCB. I actually really like the color. It's almost orange in a way. Okay. Silk screens are just a little bit, it's a little wiggly, but it's still pretty decent. Okay, there's a lot of pull-away on these pads. Of course, here's some surface mount stuff on the back. But as you can see, pull-away is actually pretty decent. These are really small pads. And finally, well, second to finally, because we still have the red one, here's the black one. Okay, silk screen. They laid it on a little heavy in this one, but it's still nice and clear. It's still readable to the naked eye. Just like the 4s, it seems like the 4s are filled in, but that's the same for JLC PCB. Pull-away is really nice. The finish on these are all really nice. These little tiny scratches, they're not visible to the naked eye. If you look at a JLC PCB, you've got the same kind of scratches. So finally, let's have a look at the red one. Okay, the red one, the text is a little bumpy. But again, as I said, it's kind of hard to notice it to the naked eye. This is a pretty powerful microscope. Pull-away is pretty nice. There's a little bit of an offset, but that's to be expected. It's not overlapping any of the pads. Yeah, it's not bad. But I think overall the quality of these are actually really nice for the price. It's comparable to JLC PCB, but I've looked this up a little while ago, and PCBWay has, well, PCBWay has better choice in solder mask color and silkscreen color. And the prices are the same for most colors. With JLC PCB, the green is the cheapest, and then it goes up in price. So yeah, if you're looking for a good PCB manufacturer, I'd highly suggest PCBWay. I would say it's on the higher tiers for, if not the top in quality. I mean, I was blown away by the blue board. I was blown away by the finish on the blue board, so yeah. I would say their boards are pretty high quality, and my first impression of their service is pretty nice. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. You've earned a space on my laptop.